Hello everybody, my name is Ann-Kathrin Edrich and I would like to introduce you to our work with the title Insar-based investigation of elevation and volume changes at Santaiguito volcano, Guatemala. In the following, I would like to lead you through our main steps and findings. First, I would like to present our location of interest, Santaiguito volcano. It is a Guatemalan volcano which is located in an eruption crater at Santa Maria volcano's flank, which originated from the 1902 Santa Maria eruption. You can see that on the bottom right image. Santaiguito is a complex of 4 volcanic domes, which you can see on the top right image, of which only the oldest one, Caliente, is still active and therefore the area of interest of this study. The idea of our work is based on the conversion of TandemX raw satellite data to digital elevation models, short DEMS, using the software Doris. Then the generated DEMS, which display the elevation at different points in time, can be compared to draw conclusions on the changes in elevation and the associated volume changes. This study's observation period lasts from September 2011 to April 2019. In this period, 24 TandemX datasets were acquired, 12 from the descending and 12 from the ascending orbit. The datasets were acquired in irregular intervals, as can be seen in the timeline on the bottom of this slide. The height error of the generated DEMS was determined to be between 3 and 8 meters. Now I would like to present the results of our study, starting with the changes in the crater region. Due to poor coherence in the eastern half, only the western part could be investigated. What you can see on this slide is the elevation difference between the date given on the individual figures and the beginning of our observation period in September 2011. We can see that between 2011 and 2016, we observe an elevation decrease of approximately 50 meters towards the middle of the crater. In the following 3 years, between 2016 and the end of our observation period, the opposite development can be observed, which is an increase of elevation of approximately the same magnitude towards the middle of the crater, and at the same time an elevation decrease in the northwestern crater rim, which can be associated though with the excavation of the crater rim due to a violent explosion during the 2016 Santaiguito eruption. Also on the flank, interesting developments occurred. On these figures you can see the elevation difference between the date given on the individual figures and the beginning of our observation period in September 2011. Between 2011 and 2016, we can observe a strong increase in elevation on the flank. We see the origin of several lava flows which are consistent in their location with the results of other studies. Between 2016 and 2019 though, we can hardly see any change on the flank anymore. What this means, I would like to wrap up in a short summary. Based on the 24 generated DEMS, which show the elevation of Santaiguito between 2011 and 2019, a change in behavior of the volcano could be observed. 2 phases of activity can be distinguished. First, between 2011 and 2016, where we see mainly the emplacement of lava on the flank. Second, between 2016 and 2019, where we observe a shift of activity towards the accumulation of material mainly occurring in the crater region. This change in behavior of the volcano is also the main finding and take-home message of this e-poster presentation. The results were obtained in the context of my master thesis at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in 2019 and 2020. The work is now in the process of being revised with the aim of publication, for which I can also profit from my new affiliation with the RWTH Aachen University, where especially the topic of accuracy of DEMS connects to previous work in my new working group. I thank you very much for your interest. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me via the live chat or write an email to the email address given in the footnote. Thank you very much.